Okay, guys, today is a food challenge. Today, what do we get for table now? Chicken and spaghetti. Make we see between Nigeria and South Africa, who sabi chop pass, and anybody where win goes on with some cash of 20,000 naira. Now let the game begin. Oh, Nigeria, South Africa on a chicken challenge. Today, let's see. Between Nigeria and South Africa, who's gonna win this challenge? The fans of Nigeria, are they here? South Africa, are they here? Today. Nigeria, South Africa, pressure they high. Chicken and spaghetti. Nigeria don't they down in spaghetti. South Africa doing same. Both of them operating on the same frequency. Somebody say frequency.
Frequency.
Oh, that's what it matter be. Oh, South Africa don't they down all the spaghetti. No, that's for grano. Hey, otherwise you go pay us for this check-in. Hell, pressure. No allow for grano. Otherwise you go pay. Hey. Guide your chicken with your food chester. South Africa, Nigeria. See men they divorce. Somebody say men they divorce.
Men they divorce.
Men they divorce. Oh my goodness. Nigeria, South Africa. Who go first finish? Only time we tell. Waiting they do South Africa guy. They observe the Nigerian guy to know. Nigerian guy they separate Angelina from Amaka. Oh my goodness. Today. Pressure they high. See him only Julie Mato. Yo! Nigeria, South Africa. Chicken and spaghetti. Man don't fool. Make we see who go first finish. Hey. Put your chicken inside, better they see your hand. Hey. Today. Nigeria, South Africa. Pressure they high. Nigeria operating on high frequency. South Africa almost done in all. You owe the laps and some species for one side. Nigeria mad on fool. They say I don't read. Oh my goodness. Say men they talk. Men they talk. Hey, today. Hey. Who go first finish? I'm waiting with the wait for. Collect your 20 pounds. That's what the matter be. Oh, your water. Don't they cheat us here? Because as you chop finish, you go drain the water. Hey. If you don't tire, just raise your hands and say I give up. Somebody say I give up.
I will not give up.
Never.
Hey. Who they go that? Oh my goodness. At the mark of 6 minutes, if I don't blow the pay ender. At the mark of 6 minutes, that's so the matter be. Hey. Nigeria, tearing. South Africa, tearing. Yo, man, don't fool. Men don't tire. Are you tired? Their mouth choke, said they don't be asking. Only Julie Mado. Yo, the last time the Nigerian guy represented Man U, he did exceptionally well. But today, all the go choke, they choke. Somebody say, oh, choke. Oh, Ekete. Dam. Giri. Dam. Hey. Nigeria, South Africa. Nigeria, man, don't fool. And they say, who sent me war? Who sent me war? South Africa just jejely wanyorly they swallow they go. Somebody says swallow they go.
Swallow they go.
Sekibo.
That's
so the matter be. 20,000 naira stake. How many minutes away from victory? At the mark of 6 minutes, I go blow my whistle. Are you giving up? Are you giving up? Men for background, don't pray. Let them give up. Hey, today. Nigeria, South Africa. Who go win this challenge? Yo, men don't tire. See mouth. Say who sent me war? God. After this one, I will not do it again. I will not do it again. Yo, they say never. Somebody say never. Never. Okay. In the next 10 minutes, I'm calling this off. In the next 10 minutes, I'm calling it off. Before person go, they say, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,